Hi children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to take your English class. Dear children, please take out your English book. Page number 52. Page number 52, chapter number 12. The topic is this or that. This or that. Dear children, today we will learn about where we use this or that. Let's start. First learn about this. This is not. This is not. Dear children, we use this for people, animals or things are near to us. Dear children, look at this picture. This is a book. In this picture, this is used because the book is near from the boy. Look at this picture, children. This is a car. In this picture, this is used because the car is near from the girl. Look at this picture, children. This is a rabbit. This is not a cat. This is a rabbit. In this picture, this is used because the rabbit is near from the boy. This is a van. This is not a bus. In this picture, this is used because the van is near from the man. Look at this picture, children. This is an ox. This is not a horse. In this picture, this is used because an ox is near from the farmer. Look at this picture, children. This is a camel. This is not an elephant. This is a camel. In this picture, this is used because the camel is near from the man. Now learn about that. That is not. Dear children, we use that for people, animals or things are far to us. Look at this picture, children. That is an elephant. In this picture, that is used because the elephant is far from the man. Look at this picture, children. That is a hill. In this picture, that is used because the hill is far from the man. Look at this picture, children. That is a jeep. That is not a car. That is a jeep. In this picture, that is used because the jeep is far from the man. Look at this picture, children. That is a kite. That is not a bird. In this picture, that is used because the kite is far from the man. Look at this picture, children. That is an aeroplane. That is not a balloon. That is an aeroplane. Dear children, In this picture, that is used because the aeroplane is far from the omen. The aeroplane is far from the omen. Look at this picture. That is a freeze. That is not an almirah. That is a freeze. In this picture, that is used because the freeze is far from the omen. The freeze is far from the omen. Dear children, repeat with me. This is a book. This is a car. This is a rabbit. This is not a cat. This is a van. This is not a bus. This is an ox. This is not a horse. This is a camel. This is not an elephant. That is an elephant. That is a hill. That is a jeep. That is not a car. That is a kite. That is not a bird. That is an aeroplane. That is not a balloon. That is a freeze. That is not an almirah. Dear children, today is enough. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.